So what we're creating here is a recipe with pork tenderloin from Salmon Creek Farms. Very, very tender piece of meat. And as I'm cutting it into like 1-inch sections, putting a piece of saran wrap over it, and I'm kind of softly hitting it with a hammer. But honestly, you could take your fist and push it down, it'd be fine because it's so tender. But you want to kind of get it down to where it's about a 1/4 inch thick. We're going to season it with a little salt and pepper. We got butter going in the pan. We're going to place the pork medallions in the pan. We're going to sear them on each side for maybe a minute. They get a little bit of browning to them, and then we're going to turn them over and do the same thing. They cook very fast. And as soon as they've cooked on both sides, generally an internal temperature of that would be 145. You want to pull them out, and I just place them on a plate until I'm getting ready to present it on a plate as well. So in the same pan we just pulled the pork out of, we still have the butter and the seasonings from the pork in there. We're going to deglaze the pan with peach schnapps. As soon as the flame dies down, be careful inside of a house, just be really cautious that when you're adding liquor to a pan with hot oil. So just do it really slow. There'll be a little bit of a flame, so once that flame dies down, you're going to add heavy cream. Let it simmer down till about half. You'll get a nice sauce consistency. I'm going to turn the flame off, and then I'm going to whisk in about a tablespoon of sour cream. And then I add chopped parsley to that just for decor. As soon as that is done, I take the sauce and I place it on the plate for a mirror. I'll put the pork medallions on top of the sauce, and then I garnish with fresh sliced peaches, and I have little onion curls also that makes it look very pretty, and I serve that with pan of potatoes.